No doubt the human body is as beautiful as any other thing on this planet. It is like a mysterious machine which has so many organs and each organ performs differently from other. There are so many things about our body we have no idea. In this video, we'll be talking about 10 fascinating things our bodies have. Wisdom tooth has no purpose in our human body. It is said that they were provisions for our ancestors. Main purpose of this tooth was to chew coarse and rough food, which we do not require now. 8% of the body weight is of blood in human body. Around 8% of an adult's body weight is actually blood. If person loses around 15% of total blood, there are chances he will fall sick. Nose can smell about 1 trillion smells around the world. Our nose has roughly 400 types of receptor that can detect almost 1 trillion odors. What is the tickliest part of our body? The soles of the foot are the most tickliest part of our body. Most of the people also get ticklish in their armpit and around their waist, but it is said that the foot or the soles of the foot are the most tickliest part of the human body. Hair growth in a ear. Our hair grows faster in a ear, which is around 3 inches. Other than hairs, if I talk about any other part, then it is bone marrow, which grows faster than hairs also. Saliva, which can fill 2 bathtubs in a year. Sound disgusting, right? But it is true that on an average, a human can produce so much saliva that can actually fill 2 bathtubs in a span of just 1 year. Average adult has 2000 to 4000 taste buds. The average human adult has around 2000 to 4000 taste buds, and they all are not located just on the tongue. They are also located on the back of our throat, nose, or esophagus. The strongest and longest bone in our human body is femur. The smallest bone is located in our ear, and the most of the body bones are located in our feet, and the longest bone is known as femur. Fingernails grows faster than the toenails. As your toenails are less subjected to trauma, due to this they grow at an average rate of 1.62 mm per month, whereas fingernails grows much faster. Do let us know in the comment section if you know something weird or something fantastic about our human body.
If you really like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe. And hit the bell icon so that next time any video will be uploaded, you will be notified first. Thank you for watching.